I feel like this might be a tie.
It's 4 years of stuff.
4 years of stuff, and we like to keep stuff. We do.
Are you on an episode of Hoarders?
No, I'm not. They are.
So Matt, what's happening today?
We're moving. Lots and lots of moving. And our 100-year-old elevator is going to do the majority of the work.
Oh, it's move out day. So we're finally clearing out the shop. We're going to pack up all the machines and ship it to our new building.
Ship it.
I don't know, ship
Yeah.
it. That makes it sound fancy.
I mean, it means we're going to load it onto a trailer and unload it and hook it all up. That's the shipping part.
They told me that I was going to be driving a truck and not doing any heavy lifting, yet here I am.
That's it.
There. What is your reaction to this right here?
This is definitely entertainment, and I'm glad I'm not involved.
Still have all your fingers and toes?
So it's the weekend, we're moving some more stuff to the new shop, and it's super wet, but we're getting it done.
I think we've loaded at least 10.
10
today
trucks.
so far. Sure, yeah.
Wow.
Quick version. We started off in a little green shed, and then we outgrew that, so then we made a garage for it to move into. So that was 2.0, and then we moved here, which was 3.0, and now we're moving into the new shop, BROG 4.0.
I'm excited to get in the new building. I mean, it's a little sad to leave this old dinosaur because I love this building, but we're excited to have flat floors and one level and do some things like that. Plus, the old building's got some pretty cool history too, which we can probably tell you about when we get there.
This is the secret location of a... This is the secret location. No one will ever tell you this, but this was a time machine production facility. And you won't hear that anywhere else, but now you know. We have proof. I mean, there's one of them still tried to go into the future, and like the inside sort of went and the outside got left, the shell of it. So I think you filmed it before, but that is evidence that this was actually a time machine production facility.
So we showed up, and then we picked up some heavy stuff, found out there was more heavy stuff, and then it just kept coming.
Matt, how's it been going so far?
Well, I mean, I think Pat said best. We moved a lot of heavy stuff. It just keeps coming. I'm not sure I may be a hoarder. Don't quote me on that. I'm not positive, but I may have some hoarding tendencies, I think. I'm a collector of trash, maybe is what I should say.
We're getting halfway organized over here. The rip in your shirt has continued to grow.
It has. Yeah, it's given up the ghost. Maybe it's last time out. That's not true. I own a sewing machine. I may repair it.
This is the last order to be processed in the old building, going out to Bill Simons. I'm gonna bleep it, it's gonna print. Well, I'm gonna bleep a couple things. We bleep this one, we bleep that one. Here she goes. That's it, man. 508.
Going out in the postal box. Last order of the old building. How do you feel now that you're leaving the old building? What emotions do you have?
Honestly, actually a little, I've only been here for 2 years, but a little sad. Because this is a big change, you know? I'm excited about it, but yeah, we get to start over from scratch in a facility that's gonna be tailor-made for us. This whole section of the building will be shipping, so everything will come in from manufacturing into shipping and then right out the door to you.
Hey Jason,
What's up?
your monitor is too small.
I'm gonna get the next bigger size, which is like this.
This is your last day in the Bedford hardware shop.
Yes. So check out my shirt.
1897. Tell us about this.
This is from before the actual hardware store closed down several years ago. Lots of history here. Once we move out, I'm sure some cool things will be happening here, but we're excited to move to a bigger place and have expanded everything.
You're not allowed to see those patches.
No,
You can't see those.
Those are top secret. Totally top secret. We are removing all indications of our presence from this location.
How does that make you feel?
We are sad, but also excited all at the same time.
How many machines have you moved today?
Too many.
You might have to watch your back for a second, then, Mark.
So what's happening here?
Basically, we've decided we're tired and we're just gonna throw it all away. We don't want to move anything else. So it is what it is.
We is done. Done, out of here, going, starting fresh and new. Because this was a lot of work. It was like 30 trailer loads and we are done and it is cleaner than we found it. Because that's how you do it.
How is it over there? What's it look like?
It's a mud pit and it's a freaking disaster. There's crap everywhere. I don't know how they'll ever sort it out. I really don't.
It's official. I may be a hoarder. I'm not positive. I'm not exactly sure how we're gonna get all this stuff up and running Monday, but that's the plan between Saturday night and Monday morning. We're going to turn this back into a sewing operation. So wish us luck and hopefully this will help reduce my hoarding tendencies.